Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about applet class in Java, part of programming in Java course. The applet class is a part of java.applet package and it is the superclass of all applets. It provides a standard way of creating and displaying applets in a web page. The applet class defines several methods that are part of the applet lifecycle, such as init, start, paint, stop, and destroy. These methods are called by the browser or the applet viewer at different stages of the applet's lifecycle. The applet class also provides several other methods that can be overridden to customize the behavior of an applet. Here are a few of the most commonly used methods. Get parameter with string name. This method is used to retrieve the value of a parameter that is passed to the applet in the HTML applet tag. Get applet context. This method is used to get a reference of the applet's context, which provides information about the environment in which the applet is running. Get codebase. This method is used to get the URL of the directory where the applet's class files are located. Resize with width and height. This method is used to change the size of the applet's display area. Show status with message. This method is used to display a message in the browser's status bar. In addition to these methods, the applet class also provides several other methods for interacting with the browser or applet viewer, such as get document base, get image URL, show document, and get audio clip, etc. It is important to note that the applet class is an abstract class, which means that you cannot create an instance of it directly. Instead, you must create a subclass of the applet class and override the appropriate methods to create a functional applet. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.